Wet your hands with water and apply enough soap to cover all hand surfaces. Rub hands palm to palm, right palm over left back with interfaced fingers and vice versa. Palm to palm with fingers interlaced. Backs of fingers to opposing palms with fingers interlock. Rotational rubbing of left thumb clasped in the right palm and vice versa. Rotational rubbing, backwards and forwards with clasped fingers of right hand in left palm and vice versa. If you have followed the steps,